Naka-fast mode ka?
No. Why? Are you?
Naka-fast mode ako.
Okay. I don't like fast food. They don't want me. Just crocheting with my cousin right now.
I restart.
Why? You're
My
doing
classmate
good.
told me to just do this. Or rage bait.
Ate, Ma, say hi. Clearly. So clearly Ate is not gonna post her TikTok, but I am going to post my TikTok. Bro,
Yes,
stop.
but I'm not gonna post a lot.
Only one?
No, I'm not gonna post a lot.
You're only gonna drop that?
I'm gonna post this if it's good.
Why your mommy doesn't let it?
No, I only like post the good ones.
But your mom said don't post anything.
I only have 3 posts.
Okay.
Cause I deleted, cause I restarted the channel and I don't know what.
Oh. Actually, guys, she is also videoing right now. Okay, this can stop any minute. This is only 1 minute left.
You only put it at 1 minute? I mean 3 minutes?
Yeah, it's only 3 minutes. That's the
I
maximum.
put it on I put
1
it
hour?
on 10 minutes. And it's just 1 minute and 30 seconds.
So, guys, check out Ate's video after this video because I'm gonna be in her video after this. It's in TikTok. What's your name again, Ate, on TikTok?
Oh, my name is Fatty Shells.
Fatty Shells. Okay. If you guys listen, the name is Fatty Shells. So,
Just say bye-bye because it's almost time.
okay. So, bye, guys. I'm gonna be in her video now. So, bye-bye. Hopefully you enjoyed this and then send this to a friend. So, bye. Check out her channel.